Today, we're checking out audit logs in SwiftFox. Audit logs enable system administrators to see all of the activity taking place in SwiftFox, including who has viewed, changed, or created records. To access the SwiftFox audit log, click on Settings in the SwiftFox menu, and then under the Administration folder, you will see Audit Logs. If you're not able to see audit logs, you will need to speak to a SwiftFox administrator in your organization. Here, you can view the audit log table. Walking through each column, you can see the date and time activity took place, the user in your organization who undertook the activity activity type. Options include record viewed, record created, field changed, information added, user login, and many more, and the contact that was affected by the change. If the change was an update to a field such as an address or custom field, the table also shows the field affected, the old value, and the new value. The other important feature of the audit table is the filter. Because of all of the activity happening inside SwiftFox, the audit log can become cluttered very quickly. Use the filter to narrow or expand your results. You can also filter by date range if you're looking for activity on particular data. So there you go, the SwiftFox audit log, a comprehensive view of all of your activities in SwiftFox.